Morning students, today we'll discuss about the remaining question of exercise 7.3. Now see, the statement is given to you, the word which is given to you is a Monday, and he asks how many words can be formed using the letter of word Monday in which no letter is repeated. So first part is no letter is repeated. First of all, we calculate how many alphabets are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 alphabets and all the 6 alphabets are different. So first part, how many total words can be formed? So total words can be formed using all letters at one time, that is 6 factorial, because there are 6 letters and we can use all the 6 letters, therefore it is called as the 6 factorial, which is equals to 720 ways. It is the first part of the question. Total number of words can be formed using these 6 alphabet in which no letter is repeated. Now, first part of the question is that 4 letters are used at a time. 4 letters. Total we have 6 letters and we want to use only 4 letters. Now see, for the second part, we need a space of 4 letters. This is the space of 4 letters, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We want to make a word of 4 letters using these 6 letters. So it means the first place can be filled by 6 ways. Second place can be filled by 5 ways. Third place can be filled by 4 ways. And fourth place can be filled by 3 ways. So total number of ways, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. 6 into 5 30, 30 into 4 120 into 3, that is 360. Or if you write down directly, out of 6 you want 4. Out of 6 you want 4. You can directly write down, that is 6p4. After that you can open it and get the same result. 6p4 means 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4, 2 factorial. If you open it 6 factorial, it is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. You will get the same result here. So it is the second method, you can simplify it. Now, second part, all the letters are used at a time. It is the same one, all the letters are used at a time, that is equals to 6 factorial. So second part, all letters used at a time, that is 6 factorial, 720. Now see the third part of the question. Letters are used but first letter is vowel. All letters are used but first letter is vowel. Now see, there are total 6 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This first place filled by vowel. This is the question, that this first place can be filled by vowel. Now how many vowels are there? See, this O is a vowel, this A is a vowel, M, N, D and Y, these are not vowel. So the first place, this first place can be filled by 2 ways. So first place can be filled by two ways. So total number of ways are, see, only the condition that first letter should be vowel, rest of the letter they can move anywhere, repetition is not allowed. It means this space can be filled by the two ways, rest of the five space can be filled by rest of the five letters. So total number of ways is 2 into rest of the letters are 5 and they can arrange themselves by 5 factorial. So it is 2 into 120. So answer is 240. So these three parts are there in which he fixed the letter. First position is filled by the vowel. So we first occupy the position of vowel by the two ways, rest of the five words, because we can use only one at a time, either O or either A. We use only one. So if we use O here, then five letters are left. If we use A here, then five letters are left. So this is the total three part of the question. 4 letters used at a time, all the letters used at a time, and all the letters are used, but first letter should be a vowel. Now see one more question. There is one more word is given to you. The word is Mississippi. The word is Mississippi, and he say find the total number of ways in which the 4I not come together. The 4I not come together. Not come together. First of all, now first we find out total number of ways. Total number of ways. But before find total number of ways, first we find the total number of letters. Total number of letters. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total there are 11 alphabets. See here, it is 3, it is 3, 6, it is 3, 9 and 2, 11. So total number of letters are 11. Now see which one is repeated. S occur. How many times S occur? 2 and 2, 4 times. P occur. How many times? 1, 2, 2 times. I occur. How many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is 4 times. Now any letter is left? S is covered, I is covered, P is covered, M is only one time. No need to write down for the one time. So first of all we find out the total number of ways. So total number of ways are 11 factorial. The number which is repeated, S occur 4 times, divide by 4 factorial. P occur 2 times, divide by 2 factorial. I occur 4 times, divide by 4 factorial. So this will tell us about the total number of ways. You can go for the calculation and find out the result. But main question is 4I not come together. This 4I not come together. Let us suppose that this 4I come together. We suppose in the reverse order. We say this 4I, I and I. This 4I come together. What is left here? M, then S, double P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 4, 11. We say 4I come together. These are come together. Now when 4I come together, then total number of ways. Total number of ways are, see this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 different alphabet and they are one box. So it is total 8. So total number of ways is 8 factorial. Divide by, anybody is repeating among this 7, S is repeating 4 times, divide by 4 factorial. P is repeating 2 times, divide by 2 factorial. Anything else which is repeating along this 7? No. Now come to this bracket. How many I's are there? How many alphabets are there? There are the 4 alphabets. So these 4 alphabets can be arranged themselves by 4 factorial, and these 4 are repeating, so divide by 4 factorial. So it will give the total number of ways in which 4I come together. But our question is 4I not come together, means total number of ways minus 4I come together. Total number of ways 11 factorial upon 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial minus 8 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Now you can simplify with the calculation and find out the results.